an ancient art form and one of the most highly appreciated and traditional genres of Japanese theatre, inspires the new high porcelain creation by Lladró. This majestic sculpture transmits all the expressiveness and visual wealth for which the traditional art of Kabuki theatre is famous for. Lladró artists borrowed inspiration from the famous play of the Edo period, Shibaraku. His main character, with his strongly expressive makeup and costume, is recreated in this spectacular depiction in porcelain. The decoration of the piece boasts a rich spectrum of colours, such as the metallic tones of the skirt, the various finishes used to underscore the details, and the striking recreation of the makeup covering the actor's face.